Hi guys, so I just got to Home Goods Marshalls. I'm gonna go inside. My mother-in-law is having a birthday party tomorrow. She turns 60, so not only have I not got a gift, I haven't got a card. Usually find like the shabby chic Hallmark cards here, so a card, a gift, and then I want to redo the bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, we made it like for his birthday back in November. I did it into like a golf theme downstairs. I'm probably gonna do more blue or maybe pink. So yeah, we have a couple things to look for, so we're gonna have a little fun time. In my bookish area, that's not cute. Bookshop, and that is really adorable. This looks like more vintage. These are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love these. This little like water garden one, and this, but I'm not sure how I feel about it, so I'm just gonna keep that in here. But this is like the cutest one that they have. I like the stripes, but I don't like how it looks. So if I find something blue, then I can switch to blue. I'm just gonna have to find a blue thing like that. I like gold, even though the hardware in the house is silver, but that one's kind of like a silver gold. I also saw this little collection, which was so cute, and I don't really need a bunch. I think I just want it for the soap. So that's like so cute. They actually do have more blue carpets than they do pink. They only have these options, and I don't really want a runner. I think these are actually runners, or this one is anyway. And it's two. Blue would just be so cute down there because the room is blue. So these are so cute, and they have a yellow one, have green, and this is actually, they do have yellow, and then they have pink, but that's more juvenile because it has a tassel, so I don't really know what I'm gonna get. The green also is so cute, but I'm gonna keep looking. Maybe I'll go to Marshall's because I'm not having any luck in here, and I don't want to just settle for that. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, but I don't have anywhere to put these. That would have been so freaking adorable. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm going the blue route. I'll show you guys what I have when I get home. So cute. I kind of don't know if I even need the can because we do have a white one in there, but I do really like this one. You would think that I'm really redoing the whole house, but I'm sorry, I have to. It's so cute. And then like a candle going would be really pretty. I just wanted to really be on theme. I don't know if I'll get these, but I found this cute little blue and pink soap dispenser. Like something small like this would be great. Just that stays in the bathroom. But I have no idea what this smells like. Oh, that smells really good. Amber and saffron. Ooh, okay, we're getting that. That smells delicious. And also this one is so cute. And it's vanilla bloom. Like, are you kidding? That is so stunning. This is so cute. I doubt she'll like that. I don't know. These are also really cute. What the heck is in here? Just seeds? Garden gift set? That's pretty actually. This is so cute. Oh, I'm exhausted. I just got to Hobby Lobby, and I also went to Chick-fil-A, obviously. Oh my gosh, I was like looking at the back wall. I turned around behind me and I didn't even see this. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. And then they also have these really pretty blue ones. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with those. I'll show you guys everything that I got. First, I got a little basin. It says it's soft closing. Maybe it's broken. Oh no, it does. That's really cute. Right now he has a rectangle one, but I feel like this may be the same amount of gallon. I do like that I could just take it out like this and dump it, so that's really nice. I also brought my garbage can from my house. I'll show you guys. So that little silver one right there, I literally haven't been to my house. There's no trash like at all, so I just brought it here. I also have like dumpsters and stuff because when you're in the city you have like an area for your garbage. Here I feel like he has to take out the trash and like drive it up or walk it up the driveway. That's too much. And the kitchen trash, his can is probably a little smaller than that one, so I brought mine from home just because when I'm doing my hair and my makeup and I'm opening stuff or I have packages and little things like this, I need my own trash can, so I put that right there. It also just helps if I need to quickly dump this and change it. I don't have to just take everything and fill up the kitchen trash, so to each their own. Next, I got these little carpets. They're just by a brand called Splendid, machine washable. I am gonna maybe like, I don't want to say don't wear your shoes, but like, oh, it's gonna really annoy me like to have shoes on like new carpet. Drives me insane. These are blue, so it's like a little tint darker, but I have these same exact ones at my apartment and they were pink, and I feel like they got so messy. No matter how much I wash them or vacuum them, They're really cute, but I think pink just got a lot more dirty. I just got a random regular white towel because we have a towel rack in there. So I'm just gonna like put this as the base and then use one of these to put in front of it, if that makes sense. I think that's just simple, as simple as it's gonna get. I'm gonna fold this one as well and put it on the sink so it's like a matching moment. Then I guess I'll just rotate this out for different themes and colors, but I wanted to have something that matched with the new bathroom. So this adorable like lotion pump, but I'm gonna put soap in it. And I hope that it like comes out really nice. I showed you guys in the store, but I did go ahead and just get the little soap dish. I'm gonna put some mints in here just because that is cute. Or maybe like some cotton swabs, like just something I feel like people typically gravitate towards when they go in the bathroom. And then I got this candle. It smells delicious. I don't even have to light it, and Prince Charming loves it as well. It's by a brand called Leobin Company. Lobin, I think it's probably Lobin. But it's a soy wax blend. It's apparently vegan, and it's called Amber Saffron. So I'm obsessed. Go ahead and pop it in right there. So if you guys want a screenshot to go smell it or get it at the store, it smells so good. I also decided to get a little photo frame. I think this also was like $6-7.99, and I did have him go ahead and put a picture in it for me because he likes to wipe it off with that glue gone stuff. So we just chose this one. It's so cute. So imagine having like this on the sink with this and a candle. Oh, so cute. I got a shower curtain. Can you believe this was $24.99? I don't know. I thought it was super cute. I'm also just obsessed with the cotton. Like I just love like healthier materials. I don't know. So cute. I really love the stripe moment. For some reason it gives like coastal, bridal, something blue. These are all something new. I don't know, I just think it's so cute. The sheet set, it just came in a bag. So one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and 4 pillowcases. I think I'm just gonna put 2 pillowcases down here and then 2 upstairs. The last thing that I picked up was this adorable little like comforter set, and this has shams, so I don't have to really bother with 4 white pillows. I could just do 2 white and then 2 of the ones that are in this set. So it's so cute. I'm hoping everything is together. And then it has 2 decorative pillows, and what really sold me was like this little bow feature at the end of the bed. Or like, here, I'll show you. But I don't know why, I'm just obsessed with how that looks. So I'm really glad that I picked this up. I also think like a couple months ago we went and got this adorable pillow from a Home Goods. So it's the same store, and I feel like every time I go they just have this really cute blue stuff, and I'm so obsessed. Got this tissue box holder as well. It's also that like gauze cotton. I'm just obsessed. This is basically what I'm going for. You see how he has like, you know, a hand towel. The succulent probably can stay, but I think I'm gonna move it upstairs just so he can have something upstairs. This was the little golf theme thing, but it's a stress ball I was talking about. We kind of got that, I think, from like I think we actually got that from a Hobby Lobby, or I think we actually got that from a Ross or Marshall's, and they actually were selling it at the dollar store, which is crazy. So yeah. And then from Amazon, I also had got him like another thing like this, the glass. Green, there was the green golf carpet. And then he had 3 of those golf printed photos right here, but I'm obviously gonna keep these up here for now. And these are the racks that we have, but typically I just put like 1 towel here and then like a throw one like that, just simple. And then I'm gonna put 1 on the sink. So I'm just gonna do all that with the blue stuff. So yeah. Peace out, Girl Scout. I didn't even show you guys the finished product of the room. I was trying to do like a vlog.
Oh yeah?
Or like a before and after, but I did not. I'll show you when I go home. This is so good. Where are we? Applebee's. Half apps late at night. There's no Applebee's on the front of that. You can't even see any. Buffalo. Nachos. And then we got Asian sesame or something? Or Asian. This is the room from last night. I didn't even finish showing you guys because I was so tired. But this is gonna be my sewing station. I don't know why the lighting is so weird. Hang on. Okay, there is the sewing stuff. And then this is the bed. It came out so cute. And I just added the pillow that I usually put on the chair right there. And it's so cute. This is the vanity. Looks better like that. And then this is just some extra sewing stuff. And I'm gonna probably play like my vinyl in here. Only thing is I don't think there's an outlet back here. So whatever I do, it always has to run from there, which is annoying. And you don't want to have people like running back and forth to the bathroom and then they trip. So I may just have it on display because it's super cute. And here's the bathroom, all cute and clean. I do need to refill the, hang on, let me put the light on. I need to refill the wipes because, yeah, you just press and it opens, and we don't have that many left. These are pretty dry. They're actually from my house, so I had to refill those. Yeah, it's so cute. I just really wish I had like some wainscoting that stopped right here and then did wallpaper for the rest. It would have been so pretty. And then I don't know, because the shower doesn't go all the way up and I probably wouldn't get wallpaper. I probably would just like paint it white up there. Very simple. I just really love this. It's just so whimsical and like girly and just very cute. I also realized that I did bring my little knobs from home, so that was nice. I got to change those out. The carpet, and then yeah, just so we can smell good all day, I'm gonna probably light this candle again. Packs of toothpicks, just because it just, you know, it brings out that pink in here. I also found that little candle, a little candle that I had, so I don't have to light that, but I'm just gonna keep it there for decoration. Facial tissue. I also put in some of this Fleur Heavy Cream. It's like a hair and body mist. Wait, it's not focusing. There it is. Well, you can actually hide this part with the blue. There it is. You can like fold the pillow inside of it. And these are just so cute. I love this feature of like, it's just so cute. Hi guys, the party is over. I just fed the dog and I'm about to give her her insulin shot. And then I'm heading out to my sister-in-law's house. I was gonna actually go back to the city tomorrow to do some, why is this like that? I'm gonna go over to my sister-in-law's house. They were here because we had a party for my mother-in-law, and we pretty much, so you can see, it's all clear now. We did the dishes. I'm gonna take some leftover food that I had from Applebee's, and then I can show you guys these like bags of curtains. They were here and we're talking. I was like, what are you guys up to? And you know, all the changes that are happening. Her husband was like, do you want to help with some curtains? So I was like, okay. So basically we're gonna go over and basically make curtains from like large drapes, and you just fold it over and be able to like put a pipe or like, you know, a pipe for a backdrop in it, or like a curtain rod. You can easily make them at home. So she just really needs someone to help, like just, it's nice to have a helping hand. So I'm gonna bring some thread, some scissors, my food. I'm gonna bring a change of clothes because she said they're gonna put the air on. It's gonna be super cold. So I'm gonna bring a sweatshirt, socks, and leggings, and then I'm heading out. I'm probably not gonna vlog there just because I don't typically vlog around them, just because they have children and it's just not her thing. She's not really into social media, so I'm really sorry. That sucks. But I will say we got to talking a lot about moving and wedding stuff, so it's gonna be super fun and exciting for the next couple of vlogs. I'm also gonna give her a Stanley. This one, it's not even the Barbie collection. I forget what this is called, but it's like light pink with the Barbie pink. I'm not sure if she'll like it, but I know she's been wanting like another, like she doesn't have a Stanley. I know she's been wanting a Stanley this color, and I'm not gonna give her like my Love Shack Fancy ones. Obviously, I don't have any extra Love Shack Fancy tumblers, like no extra ones, and it's definitely not any extra pink. I usually only buy one. I did buy this in store. I think it is so cute, but she is definitely my least favorite used, my least favorite not my least favorite, my least used mug. So she's a really pretty pink, so I'm gonna be like, do you want this? It's a clean cup. I tried to give her like the cleanest straw I've ever found because I like to bite mine and stuff. I know, so I got like the cleanest straw. We're gonna see if she likes it, and if she wants it, she can keep it, because I was like, we need to get rid of some stuff anyway, and that is the first thing to go. Hi guys, I'm not gonna turn the light on because it's dark. Well, I can, I guess, but I'm heading home. I'm gonna be there in like 10 minutes. I just left my sister-in-law's house. Well, I didn't just leave because they live a little ways away, so I've been driving for a little bit, but it is almost 2 a.m. It's 1:52. Oh my god. And I am so like, I need a snack. I had like a little honest juice pouch or whatever. That is so bright. I don't like that. I had a little juice pouch and that was it. I had dinner, of course. Like I took my leftovers from, where did we go? Applebee's the other night. But I had that when I first got there, and I want to say that was like 7. So yeah, I'm pretty hungry. So I'm gonna go home and maybe just have a little snack. Good morning, booze. We are going to the diner. It is like 12 something. We missed church, but I expected that because I was exhausted. I woke up early and then I fell right back to sleep, which never happens. Usually when I'm up and I'm like begging for some type of nap. So we're gonna go to the key place to get our keys sanded down because they're a little hard in the door to turn. And then we're gonna go get breakfast at the... I told you it's cold out here.